Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a light fixture when there's no ground inside your electrical box. With a lot of light fixtures nowadays, this is very easy to get around. For this job, I'm going to be using a battery-powered drill with a Phillips tip bit, some wire nuts, a support brace for the inside of the electrical box, and my new fixture. When a light fixture box doesn't have a ground, you should have two wires coming out of there, a black one and a white one. The black is going to be your hot and the white is going to be the neutral. So the first thing we're going to do is take our brace and install it on our holes. And for that, I'm going to be using the screws that they have provided with my light kit. I'll go ahead and attach these. Now I'm going to twist it to where I want my mounting bolts to be placed, and then I'm going to tighten up the slide screw. After that, I'm going to take my ground wire, and on this support brace they have a ground screw. I'm going to take my wire and wrap it around that screw and then tighten it up with the drill. Now I'm going to go ahead and wire up my other wires with a color coordination. Now I'm going to take my wires and tuck them back into the box. I'm going to take my light and put it on my mounting screws and go ahead and put the caps on there. It's very important to remember that when you're messing with any electrical, first of all, turn the electric off at the box. Second of all, you want to make sure that everything that has power running to it is grounded. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.